What's up guys, this is Chris from VFXON, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick and easy shockwave. So first off, we need to start with creating new comp and just name however you like it and set the duration. Well, 30 seconds is a bit too long. I'm going to go with 5 and click OK. And now right click new solid and name it Shockwave. Click OK. Then go to effects, search for form and grab and drop the trap code form onto your shockwave layer. Next, what we need to do is go to base form and set the base form from box grid to sphere layered. And make sure you're at the start of your timeline and set the keyframes for size X and size Y and set them both to 0. And now decide where you want your shockwave to end. I think a good time would be around like 3 seconds, something like that, because if it goes a little bit, well, I mean, you can play around and see how long you would like it to be. And then when you find your time, set the size X and size Y to 10,000. Okay. Next, set the particles in X and Y to about, I'm gonna go with 210 for both. Now we can close down the base form and go into particle and change particle type from sphere to glow sphere. And now you can kind of see them, and the size to 2. And the opacity, I'm gonna set it to 90. And the opacity random, I'm gonna go with like 85. Now go to fractal field and displace. Let's just go to around like about here. Okay, and change the displace from 0 to about like, I would start at 90 and see how it goes, if you like it or not. I think 90 is a good place. I mean, you can go high as much as you like, but in my opinion it goes a bit crazy, so I like it to keep under 100. So something like that. And now to change color, go to effect, color correction, and I did use, I think not color balance, but CC toner, yeah. And just highlights, change that to whatever color you like. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go, let's see, with something like that. And then search for glow, and let's add that. And I'm gonna change the threshold to 4.3, glow radius to 14, and glow intensity to half, 0.5. Okay, and I'm gonna use not the original colors, but A and B colors, and I'm gonna change the color A to this and color B to this. But it really depends on what your base color or the highlight color is, because if you use the same settings, let's just say if I pick this as red, you can see it doesn't look that great. So just find what works for you. And glow operation, glow composite original from behind to none. I kind of like this look a bit more. The behind looks also good, but I kind of like this. It's sort of like, I don't know, it just looks, in my opinion, a bit better. And another, in my opinion, which looks good effect is trap code star glow. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it, but I really like how it looks on the basic settings. I'm just gonna boost like about something like that. Okay, and now let's preview this. So that's how it looks right now. I think it looks pretty good, except for one thing that I just noticed is the fact that right here the particles, like the animation just stops right here. So we have to fix it. And to do that, let's go to base form, press U on your keyboard to see the keyframes, and let's go to those keyframes, and I'm just gonna increase this size to about, let's say 15,000. Okay, maybe a bit more. Let's try 20. Okay, well that's a bit better. And I mean, at this point, kind of like here, I think I'm gonna, let's see where it is. I'm gonna use opacity and just bring it down. And also I'm just gonna select all of these, right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease, and let's see how it looks now. It looks alright, except that I think that the opacity have to go down about this point. So I'm just gonna move this keyframe to here. And maybe even a bit sooner. Let's try a bit like, let's try right here. Yeah, I think this looks good. And plus the star glow effect really gives a lot to this. Like you can see, it's like a real, like something did blow up at the start. So guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. And also, if you want this Shockwave template, you can email me or you can message me and I will give you the download link for it. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.